Hey everybody, it's Clickbank here, and if you've been looking for a video that walks you through step by step how to make money online for free using free tools, then you're in the right place. So make sure you stay tuned to this video. Also, not only am I going to show you how to make money online for free, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you the #1 free traffic source that anyone can do that will give you tons of targeted free traffic. So make sure you stick around for that part. Anyway, let's dive right in. I'm going to give you all the free tools that you need and all the education that you need to get up and running as quickly as possible. I'm also going to address a lot of common questions that people have in the beginning. I've been doing affiliate marketing and internet marketing for about 15 years, selling my own products, selling other people's products. So I've run into all the challenges that you've probably encountered. I'm going to address those questions throughout this video as they pop up. Anyway, let's dive right in and I'll show you how to make money online using free tools and free traffic. Let's get into it right away. So the first thing everyone always asks is, I don't know what to sell. I don't know what to promote. So one of the easiest things to do is to promote other people's products. So it's called affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon, sites like that, very low commissions. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not wasting your time. So you want to focus on 3 main markets. Now, those are how to make money online is one of those hot markets. Number 2, weight loss and fitness. And number 3 is dating. So we're going to pick fitness and weight loss. That's the hottest market. Everybody wants to look good. Everybody wants to be fit. Everyone wants to be healthy. So we're going to target that niche. That's our niche. So we know it's a hot niche. Now, the second thing is, what products do I promote within this niche? So a good tool that you can use, Clickbank. And Clickbank will tell you which products are selling the best and their conversion rate. So you want to make sure that you pick a product that is converting. So that means if you're going to send traffic, you want to make sure that a certain percentage of people that you send are going to buy the product. Now, only a certain percent are going to buy the first time they see it. We're going to address that situation as we progress through this video. I'll show you the best tactics to use. Now, anyway, let's look at what Clickbank is telling us is the highest converting product in September. So I'm shooting this video in September of 2022. So if you go to their website here I am right now, it'll say top Clickbank products as of September. So if we scroll down, they have their top 10 list. And I noticed a really good one I think will convert for most people. Now, this is about intermittent fasting, taking breaks from eating. So maybe you don't eat for 8 or 12 hours. Anyway, it's a little training course about that, and they have upsells. But the important thing is the conversion rate. Now, if you look here, you can see now Hop is what they call your affiliate link. That's what you would get when you sign up to promote this. 4% on the front end. Now, 4%, that's very good because you want to have the highest conversion rate on the front end. Now, a lot of products sell between 1 to 3%, 3% being very good. So a 4% conversion rate on a sales letter, that's really good. They're saying it's 40% on the upsell, which is possible too. So I've seen that in my own products. So definitely we want to start with something like this so we have the best odds of success. And then from here, all we have to do is click on affiliate tools, and also we can look at their landing page. So here's the affiliate tools here. There's email swipes. We'll get into that. They have banners, and you put in your email here and they'll send you some email tips and things like that. Now also here is the sales page, and it's a long form sales letter, which convert better than short form sales letters. So you can get all the information you need by just reading the sales letter and by consuming all the different emails and different tools that they give you. So here we go. Step #1 is, what do I promote? Okay, so we have a product that we know converts at 4% on the front end, and we have all the information we need to create free content that can drive traffic to what I'm going to show you in a second, and then we can follow up with these people. So it's very important that you are very niche specific. So when you start creating content, which is what we're going to use to drive free traffic to this product, that it's all targeted around the same thing. So we're attracting targeted prospects to us. Now, the best way to do this, and I'll just show you on my screen here, is instead of sending the traffic directly to the page, because a lot of people say, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to create a lead capture page, all that stuff. I'll show you how to do that for free right in this video. So the idea is we're going to create a very niche specific lead magnet to give away to people. Now, this could be just a very short cheat sheet. It could be just a couple of tips. It doesn't have to be anything huge, and we can create this using free tools and just turn it into a PDF. It's that simple. And then so I'm going to show you how to design a lead capture page for free, and then how we can collect these email addresses for free, and then how we can follow up with this. Now, the reason why we're doing this is only a certain percentage of people convert when they see something for the first time. So the best method is to send people to a lead capture page from your free traffic source, which I'm going to show you. Stick around to the end of the video. We get their email, and then we have an email series. And then, of course, they have the swipes already created for you. You can just change those a little bit, and then you're in business. So how this will work is we will get the lead magnet set up. We'll set up the lead capture page, the email, and then we'll send our traffic there. Then we'll redirect to the sales page, and then we'll follow up via email. And then via email, you give them the download, you build your relationship, and then you send them back several times to the same product. And then the benefit of this is not only can we promote this product, but let's say maybe 3 or 4 emails in, we can introduce another similar related product. And so then we can market to them multiple times, different products, so there's more chance of success. And the bonus is, 1, it's going to be free to set this up. 2, the traffic is free, so it just takes some of your time that you can invest in your spare time to really get this going. And we can just set this up really quickly, so let's just dive into it, okay? So we're going to set up a lead magnet page. And again, we can use free tools. If you're on a Mac, you can use Pages, you can use Word, you can just turn it into a free PDF, and then you can deliver this to your prospects. All right, let's get right into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a free tool here that I've already signed up for, and I'll show you my lead magnet page here. So I've got a free guide. I've been doing this 15 years. If you're interested, I'll put a link below in the description box, and you can download this free guide. It gives you a lot more tips, goes in a lot more depth. Definitely check that out. But I created this page using the software that I'm going to show you how to use, and I'm not paying for the software. It's free. So all I had to do was create this page, set up my lead magnet, and I can follow up with you, and it's free. So a lot of people push products like, well, is this as good as ClickFunnels? The reason why so many people push ClickFunnels is because it has high commissions. A lot of reasons why you won't see people pushing this is because there's a free option, and most people won't go beyond that free option, and people won't get a commission, so why promote it? Just because you don't see a lot of people promoting this, it's not because it's not good, it's because they're not going to get paid as much as if they were promoting something like Click. Anyway, just some insider info there. It's all about money for most people, and they just want to make as much money as they can, so they'll direct you towards expensive tools that you don't need. So that's just the reality of it. Okay, so I'll put a link to this software in the description box below, but don't click on that yet. Make sure you watch this video so you can get the most out of it before you go and do all this. So everything I talk about, there'll be links in the description box below this video, but like I said, wait till the end of the video before you start exploring that. All right, so what we want to do is create funnel. Now you can create a free account, and you can have a certain amount of free subscribers, and you can have one domain name. So it's also a good idea to have your own domain name. It just looks a little more official. Now you can get those for $8, but you don't need one. You don't need your own domain, but I think it's a good idea. You can go somewhere like Namecheap. I'll show you at the end of this video. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we already know that we're going to be promoting intermittent fasting products. So when we go to funnels, we'll click here, and you can see right at the top, I just started using this software. I didn't even watch any tutorials. This is simple software. So if I fumble a little bit, it's because I'm just new to it as well, but it's free, and that's why I'm recommending it to you, because it's free and it works well. It loads quickly, and it's got some great pages, and it's great for beginners. So I'm going to click create. Now, once I do that, I can name this funnel. I'm just going to call it fasting. We'll type that in. Now, if you have a domain that you've associated, I do. It's called manyhubs.com. I just picked it because it's a very short domain name, easy to remember. Again, you don't need that, but really for $8, it's worth it to have your own domain name. Now, you have some choices here. Build an audience, sell. So you can sell your own products using the software as well. We're going to build an audience. So we're going to click on that. You can choose the currency. I don't think it really matters a whole lot here. So I'm going to click create. Now, once I do that, I have some choices. Now, this is a lead capture page, also referred to as a squeeze page. And you've probably seen this tons of times, is someone lands on a page, they say, hey, get this, give me your name and email, and then you get a thank you page. That's the next page they see. Now, we can also redirect them instead of to a hey, thank you page. We can redirect them right to the product sales page. This would be a bridge funnel. So let's get right into it. Let's see if we see something that's already looking like something that we'd want to use. Now, a lot of questions are, what kind of lead pages convert better? Because you want a high conversion rate, right? Because people are going to land on the page, boom, you want them to convert. Less text is the better, just something simple. So from my experience, I'll show you what I think converts the best. And sometimes what you think looks like it would convert doesn't always translate. So I'm going to just show you. This page here, I'll show you here. we've got this page. So once you click on that, then you click here where it says edit page. It looks pretty basic, and most people would say, oh, I don't think this is a convert. I've tested a lot of different pages, and something simple like this converts better than a lot of other things out there. And this is so easy to edit. If you've used ClickFunnels in the past, it's just like ClickFunnels, so it's pretty simple. And you can change everything here. You can see that as you hover, you've got different boxes. All you gotta do is click in a box. You can change the text. The only real thing you need to do is, like I said, to create a short cheat sheet. Could be like just 10 tips or something like that, and then create some cover art. Now you can find free PDF covers. Just type that in, and you can just find a site where you can just kind of change some images. It's pretty simple. I won't bore you with all of that, but basically this is your editor. So once you have an image of your PDF, that would replace this basically, and all you'd have to do is click on this, and if you see the gear icon here, every time you see that, it gives you options. Also on the left-hand side, you have different options. So you can see here, image file. So you can do different things too. Like you can open a different URL. You can show a pop-up if someone clicks on that. You could do a lot of different things. So this is where you would upload your image to replace this image here. Just look on the left. And the thing about this too is there's tons of tutorials in here in case you get stuck. There's also customer support. They get back to you via email. Considering that this is a free service and they actually reply to you, I mean, it's great. And you can adjust your image size. You can do everything here. So you can see I can shrink this image. I can do whatever I want. So it's as simple as getting in here, picking a page, and then clicking here, and then just typing whatever it is. So basically, if you're promoting intermittent fasting product, you want to talk about the key things that somebody is interested in. And you can get these key ideas from the product sales page itself, also from the email swipe files, so that you get into the headspace of this person who's trying to lose weight, and they're thinking about, oh, I just eat less. This sounds simple. I just want to make sure I do it right. So we want to target that person with a cheat sheet for intermittent fasting, and we redirect. So you can see here, it's just a matter of changing these things on this page, saving your changes, and then you could look at your change. It's that simple. You'll have a lead capture page. Now, there's a few other things you have to do, obviously, once we get in here. So what we'll do is, if you look at the top right here, we'll click that. Now we have different things that we can do here. We have automation rules. We have A/B testing. We have our stat. We have a bunch of different things. We have our leads. Now, the one thing you will need to set up a couple of emails so that they go out. So that's another thing that you're going to want to do. Now, also too, they have automations here. They also have different types of emails that you could send out. So let's say, for example, we went to newsletters and we clicked create a newsletter. So it's really just this simple. And then we would have our subject line. And as I mentioned before, there's email swipe files that you can get right from the product creator. And we can just change those around a little bit. As far as this, you would just fill out the information. So it would be the subject line of the email. It would be your name, your email address, and you can see you have a visual editor. So it's just a matter of creating some emails, and then when somebody enters their first name and their email, they're automatically sent these emails. And this account is totally free to a certain amount of email subscribers. So that's why I'm recommending it to you. So you can see that's the basics. You have your funnel there that you've created. We've got it called fasting. We've got a thank you page. If you want to send them to a thank you page, you can, but a better idea is to redirect them to the sales page. So if you click on get the report there, that's the submit button. You have an option to the next step, which would be the thank you page, or to a custom URL. Now this custom URL would be your affiliate link. So you would put your affiliate link there, and then when someone submits the form, they would go to the product sales page. So this is a bridge funnel. And then what you would do is you would follow up via email. And like I said, with this software, you can create the emails within the software, and they will send them out for you. So it's awesome. Another good thing about this software is you can also integrate this with your own autoresponder if you use ActiveCampaign. Now that's what I use. It's more of an advanced email marketing software, but I've integrated my ActiveCampaign account. You'll need a subscription for that. So I don't recommend that if you're just starting out and you're a beginner, but that is an advanced option too, which is why I like this software, because it integrates with software that I like to use for my email marketing. Anyway, so that's the basics. You create a lead capture page targeted to intermittent fasting product that you're going to redirect them to, and then you take their swipe files and you follow up with them. So that's the basics. It's that easy. If you think about it, all you have to do is create a free PDF cheat sheet, and they have all kinds of affiliate tools here that you can use. You've got email swipe files that you can use. Now, the next thing is, once you have a lead capture page, and once you have a lead magnet and an email follow-up, and you're promoting product, once that is taken care of, once you've set that up, and literally you could do this in a matter of hours. Take as long as you want, but really, I think you should set a time limit and try to get it done as quickly as possible. You could set this up in a couple of hours. Now, the next thing you need to do is to attract targeted prospect, and another free way to do that, and the best way to do that, September 2022 and probably beyond, first would be TikTok. Now, you can get in front of the camera, or you don't have to get in front of the camera. Don't worry about it. But literally, you can shoot videos on your phone. They can be as short as 10 seconds. So experiment 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and you can start attracting targeted traffic once you have 1,000 followers on TikTok. And I'm going to tell you how to get that as quickly as possible. In less than a week, you can have 1,000 followers. Then you can put your URL. That's why I said it's good to have a custom domain name. The custom domain name would lead to your lead magnet page. People would subscribe. You follow up with them, email. You have an automated business going for you. I would say day one, set up your lead capture page, your lead magnet, your emails. Day two, start creating content. I'd say by day 7, you're probably going to have over 1,000 followers and traffic and people signing up. So I think within 30 days, you can see results with this system that I'm showing you. Now, these videos that you create would be targeted to intermittent fasting. It'd be targeted to dieting, eating better. And then what you can do is just go to someone that's creating similar content on TikTok and look at their top videos and see what they're doing. How long are these videos? What are they talking about in their videos? Is there text popping up? Are they talking, or is it just text? What is it that's making these top videos successful? Keywords are they using? And then just model their examples. So don't copy it word for word, or don't steal their videos. Just create your own videos just using your phone. And I would suggest a minimum of 1 video per day. If you can do 2 or 3 videos per day, spacing them out, that's even better. It just helps you get more traffic from the algorithm. And like I said, within a week, if you're doing 1 or 2 videos a day, within the first week, you're going to hit 1,000, if not more. If one of your videos goes viral, and it just happens sometimes, then you're going to start seeing a lot of traffic flood in, and just stay consistent with that. And so maybe make a schedule for yourself where you shoot maybe all your videos in one setting, edit a bunch, then you can just upload them. And so really, this is a free automated business that you can run from home or anywhere in the world. So all you need is a Clickbank account. So go to clickbank.com. I'll put links to everything in the description box below. And then you need the software to set up your lead capture page. I'll put a link to that. I'll put a link to where you can create a lead magnet cover. Everything below that you need right here, all for free, in the description box. So check that out. Now, if you want more tricks and strategies, I'll have a link to my free Secret to Quitting Your Day Job guide. That's also in the description box below. I want to say thanks for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification so you get notified when my next video goes live. Also, if you found this content helpful, hit that like button and share this video with other internet marketers. Maybe share it on a Facebook group, a forum, wherever you think it would help someone else. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that bell, and again, hit that like button. If you have any comments or questions, maybe that I didn't cover in this video, you can post them down in the comment section. I look at those every day and I'll reply to you. But I think I covered the biggest things. I think when people are starting, they're saying, well, I don't know what to promote. So 3 markets: how to make money, weight loss and fitness, and the dating. I would say weight loss and fitness, probably the hottest market out of those. 2, where do you get a product to promote? Clickbank will tell you the hottest products, what's selling the best, the highest conversion rates. That's where you get your data. Then all you do is create a lead capture page and then a follow-up email sequence. And the product that you pick most likely will have email swipe files that you can just modify. And that's it. Then you just have to have a traffic source. Number 1 right now is TikTok. I recommend 1 video minimum per day, 2 or 3 if you can manage that. Second, YouTube Shorts. So you can take the same video and you can use it on YouTube Shorts. Number 3, you can use that same video, upload it to a Facebook page, so a Facebook Reel. Also, number 4, you can take that same video and use that on Instagram, so an Instagram Reel. So 1 video that you can create, you can use on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So 4 traffic sources. So once you start to ramp up, you can really start to see there you're getting traffic, 4 different sources, all from just 1 video. So definitely incorporate those advanced techniques as you go. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. And if you found any of these tips helpful, hit that like button. And like I said before, all the tools I've talked about, you can get for free, and they're in the description box just below this video. All right, Craig back to here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.